You gonna talk for Mama? Are you gonna give me a giggle? Tell me. Tell me all about your day. Yes. Let's hear it. Really? Oh, is that right? Is that right? Where's your giggles? Say, I love you. I love you. I love you. Yes, I love your little dimples. I love your little hands. I love your little nose. Oh, is that right? There's that little giggle. Are you kicking? Kick those legs. Oh, that's a loud one. My goodness. Yes. What else? Uh-huh. Oh, you have a lot to say. I love you. Earlier when I was telling him I love you, he was giggling every time. I just love you. Mwah. Is that funny? Is that funny? Give us little legs. Kick those legs. Kickies. 9-month pants. 6-month shirt. On my 2.5-month baby. Such a big boy.
Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. What do you think, Emmett?
Get you. Get you. I'm gonna kiss you. Say yay! Ooh.